So in the resources section I have added tons of things, and the first one is not really important. We have all the wallpapers for Macintosh, and this is something that you should download before installation, all the resources file. So we have Voodoo, trackpad drivers, keyboard drivers, and controller drivers. Now what is Voodoo? Voodoo is basically a universal driver. If everything fails and if you have problems like your keyboard is not working or your mouse pad or trackpad is not working or any other basic problem, you should add Voodoo drivers to your installation and Voodoo Kext files. And then we have the universal TP-Link driver, and this is something you should ignore. Then we have the HD Intel HD graphics fix, and also we have the audio fix file. So here are all the files that you need for audio fixing. So we have Lilu, and Lilu is actually required for Intel and Nvidia as well. So anyways, you have to add Lilu. And for installation I have created a disk to install 10.13, so you just have to download that. And for Windows installation I have all the tools over here in Hackintosh start, and then we have the USB 3.0 fix for SSDT, so you can use that. Then we have the EFI folders. Now this is something important, so in case you have laptops, you can move on to laptop and use the universal, or if you have 200 series motherboards, so you can do that. Then we have a 100 series motherboard EFI folder universal EFI folder. So this is the universal folder. Don't worry, I'll be explaining what is EFI and stuff, but right now you just have to download all the files inside all the folders. So in case you have gigabyte motherboard, you can go and download the specific motherboard drivers or EFI folders. In case you have Asus motherboards for desktop, you can go and download the specified motherboard EFI folders. And I would suggest you to download everything that is available in the resources section, because this is not shared by me and it can be problematic and it can go away. Then we have APFS fix. So this is the EFI that you have to add in the installation while you are installing Mojave. And we have all the OS X versions, and we also have all the latest Kexts. So these are the Kexts, the fake SMC Kext and the fake PCCID Kext are something that you should be adding. And we have ALC 1220 fix drivers, and there are tons of things, multi-beast and stuff. So in the next video we'll start over again, and that's all.